Hi and welcome to ShortcutPC. This is not my voice. This is AI-generated voice. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make my videos on YouTube step-by-step process. Let's begin. The first step of my content making is idea. For me, I find idea on Google and YouTube, see what's people needed, or maybe something that relevant is and useful. After I find idea, then I start thinking, how can I make this better than others tutorial on YouTube? Keep making it better, hours of hours, day of day, till I got my best. After I got the best that I can, then I start recording the guide. For recording I use OBS, which is free and open source. You can download it on Google. If you need best OBS settings for recording, you can watch my videos here. After I recorded the guide done, then I start editing. For editing I use Adobe Premiere Pro CC, which is good editing software for content creator. I just use simple editing, cutting, maybe some effect, texting, some small VFX and back sound. After done editing, I render it to become MP4 files. Now it's time for making thumbnail. For making thumbnail, I use Adobe Photoshop CC, which is good for thumbnail creating. I just add in text, background, and did it my best. After making thumbnail, now it's time for upload to YouTube. Making some title, description, link, tags, optimize SEO and keywords. And done, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in next video, which is tutorial video. If you have any idea, comment below. Bye.